So we made our box plot using the minimum, the lower quartile, which is known as Q1, 6, which is our median, right there in the middle, that's 6. And then we have 9 is our upper quartile, that's Q3. And then 12 is our max. Alright, so that's our box plot. This is definitely not symmetrical. If it was symmetrical, you would be able to see evenly spaced between each of these vertical lines. So see this vertical line right here, this one right here, this one right here, this one right here, this one right here. These are not evenly spaced apart. Therefore, this is not symmetrical. This is skewed.
Right.
It is skewed to the right. The reason why we know it's skewed to the right is because we have a longer spread on the right and we have a little more condensed action going on right here. This is really condensed. Remember, you guys just told me that this represents 25% of the data right here, 25% of the data right here, 25% of the data right here, and 25% of the data right here. Which means, since there's 40 total students in this study, that there's 10 students in each of these categories. So you see how this is all condensed? That means that the students are going to be higher right here than over here. So if you're thinking about it, we would go skewing to the right. Because the data would be up here, and then it would go down to the right. We would be skewing to the right. So this is skewed to the right. Our tail is on the right-hand side.